Okay, she's up on the stand, so she is out of the car. She's detached from the transmission, and it's ready to be tore apart. So I'll get a couple things apart now, and probably more tomorrow. So let's have a little watch. Okay, this is the 427 Big Block Chevy out of the Chevelle, and we're going to get it taken apart here and find out what ails it, and we'll end up showing the full rebuild and putting it all back together and exactly what we do to it, but we'll find out what's wrong with it first, and then show you guys that. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of the shaking and so on. And then we'll go through a full rebuild process and show you what components we put in it and why. And we'll probably dyno it before it goes back into the Chevelle. So yeah, stick around and watch, please. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, Tuesday morning. I got a couple minutes before work here, so I'm just going to try and see if I can't buzz them heads off quick. Do it quickly. Oh, that was close. Just caught that, people. There's a little ridge there. Yeah, a little ridge there. Yep. That was definitely some more in it. So I guess the rebuild was in order. Okay. That's one head off this morning. I'll maybe try and buzz the other one quick, but I do have a mess to clean up here too. And yeah, there is some wear in the cylinders. I can feel a little bit of ridge. So yeah, I will be boring it out. Yeah. Feel a little ridge on both sides. So yeah, I'll probably have to bore it. Probably 30 thou, maybe 40. We'll measure it up and see how bad it is. And yeah, we might as well start with a fresh rebuild. Okay. Well, so far with this motor, all the numbers I looked at looks like all the date matching, head matching, block matching 427. So everything seems to match up, that it isn't a couple different motors. The heads seem to match the block and so on. Looks like factory pistons in it that are standard bore. So we'll keep digging. I seem to be making a little bit more of a mess that I'll get to clean up here. Getting close to getting this head off. I'm going to try and get it off maybe a little more elegant than the last one. Last one come off kind of easy when I tugged on it. Guys got to be careful with these things. You'll take off a kneecap or something. I don't know what they weigh, but they got to weigh 75 or 80 pounds a piece, I think. So they're heavy. Yeah, so we'll try and be a little more careful this time. Hey, go ahead. Ah, got that one off and still have both kneecaps. That is a good thing. Oh, yeah. Okay, showing some wear in the cylinders. Nothing really jumping out at first here. It's got kind of a cool lifter valley tray in there. Keeps the oil off the bottom of the intake and stuff. So somebody's been in it and kind of did some hot rod stuff to it. But yeah, at this point, nothing jumping out. Wear in the cylinders, yes, but not seeing anything like broken just yet or anything. So we'll keep hunting. Okay, I'm going to keep looking here and keep digging and just see what we can find. Start inspecting all the parts and keep taking it apart. So yeah, follow along and see what we find here coming up. There will be something pop its head for sure. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, yeah, please do. And watch the rebuild of this, what we find, and total rebuild of this Chevelle. And yeah, join us by subscribing. Thanks a lot.